Alright, so I just want to give you guys a quick update. This is the last time I will be talking about this situation, and I'm not going to be doing anything about it at this point. I think it's just time to let it go, but I just want to put this out there because I just remembered something. I just watched some videos, and OnePlus lied to me. I'm going to tell you how. So, when I told you guys I called OnePlus and how I said that I wanted a review, they told me, the woman who I was talking to, her name was, I believe, Jill. And she was a very nice lady, very nice. I'm not going to say anything disrespectful about her, but she told me that OnePlus does not give out units for review. And she told me that straight to my face. Well, not to my face, but she told me straight up that we don't give units. However, after watching several videos, I've come to find out that that is a complete lie. Because Jerry Riggs, Unbox Therapy, MKBHD, all the big YouTubers were said they would receive their units from OnePlus. So I want to know something, OnePlus. If that's what she claims, that you don't give review units out, and you don't give them or give any units to review, why'd you give it to those guys? Is it because they're big, or is it just because you just don't want to give it to people because you think it's a waste of time? See, here's what I've learned. And you know something? You guys can say what you want. That's fine. But don't ever lie. And I don't think they intentionally did it to lie. I think they did it probably either to not hurt my feelings or whatever with a representative. But please, don't say you don't give out review units when you clearly are getting reference from other YouTubers that are saying that you gave them units. So this is the last time I'm going to talk about it. You're probably saying you're blowing this up, but look, this is the last time I will be talking about the OnePlus. I'm going to move on from this point forward, and it's completely over at this point. If you want any more information, that's fine, but I'm not going to do anything about it. I'm just going to let it be. Just keep moving on and just keep moving forward. But the moral of this is just, it's sad because I really wanted to get this model to get it for you guys. And to find out that they lied to me on the phone and told me that they don't give out review units and they don't give people units to review, and that now to find out that they are, it really hurts. But that's it. That's all I want to say. Dang it, Siri. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to put this out there. This is the last time I'm talking about it, like I said, and it hurts knowing that that's the case. So see you guys. I'll see you guys on my birthday or tomorrow, whatever's going on. So take it easy.